Hello teacher, my name is Kik. Today I will talk about topic career path, working in a electronics designer. I might will carry in the future in today's job market different in Korean Valley because technology play important role in our daily life. I am interested in the topic because I enjoy understand how daily life smartphone robots and smart STEM work with strong passion in calling my tools. Be sure this course series only to become a successful engineer. I need good academic work qualification, advancedly in fashion and coding. Besides that, I must develop good skills as communication, teamwork, and team management. They like entry to work intensely in the presentational teamwork and to complex projects successfully. In addition, technology like peaceful intelligence and changing the way electrons STEM are varied. Engineer today I might work on automation STEM, step daring technology or advanced electricity reform. I must adapt to hair trend and company now. Learning to avoid becoming out of the best. After reducing, I plan to write work defensively by enjoy in team receipt all the time job. I can search or job vacancy for an employment already online employment in practice the successfully of electros elect engineers engineer develops in education engineering my uh, hours year $1,000 per month with skill designer can or $2,000 how this tariffs can be trained. I rely in the oral grading with development in clean route. I hope to become a professional lecturer engineer in the future. Thank you for your listening.
I just had to let you know you're